making slime. So we need Elmer's glue. What do I put in next? Okay, and shaving cream is next. Shaving cream, are you sure? Are you sure?
Put hot if you want it really fluffy like mine.
Okay, shaving cream. That's okay. So can you hold the?
Yeah. Guys, look at my slime real quick.
Look at mine. Mine is gray, guys.
That's so awesome.
Look at mine. Look at mine.
Yeah, hers is gray. Okay. Anyway.
So I'm gonna
go ahead and
start stirring it.
Stir it
real good, guys. So don't forget to stir it real good until it's
you don't add
fully.
You have to add the same amount of shaving cream as glue, but you add more shaving cream.
Okay, so see, you just gotta keep stirring.
Stir.
Keep stirring and make sure it's okay.
So you add more contact solution. You have to add a lot. You have to add a lot. That's enough. And then it starts coming together.
So stir. What's wrong with it? It's not. So do I add more?
Yeah.
Wait, let me stir it just more.
Yeah, you have to see.
Okay, so
and then if a little while, you have to whip it with your hands.
It's starting to come together.
Oh.
Look, so is that enough stirring?
No, you have to add more of this. I promise.
Can I show this to Daddy?
I showed.
Don't add more.
I'm gonna make mine a different color.
Is it?
Whip it with your hands now. You have to get it out
But
of.
I'm sick of
very
this color,
sticky.
so.
I know.
Well, Gina, are you sure?
Yes, I'm sure I'm a slime expert. See? Start taking the pencil, going up, going down, up, down.
Oh, cool. Awesome.
I think you added a pinch too much shaving cream, but that's all right.
It'll be fluffy.
Yeah, very fluffy. See? You have to see how it doesn't stick a lot.
China? I'm gonna add I'm gonna search for some glitter.
Yeah,
we need what's wrong with it?
You have to get it out with your hands.
I'm not getting out.
You have to. I'll do it. Just hold the camera. That's my pink slime, I guess. That's from your hands. Just hold the camera. I'll do it.
Hold on.
I'm a slime expert. I know. See, you have to actually whip it with your hands. You can't just stir it with the pencil.
Okay. Hold on. First, let me stir it a little bit more. See, guys, how it's coming together.
Where's my slime? Oh, you forgot your hand.
See how it's coming together.
Don't put too much.
Yeah. Now you have to whip it with your hands.
Jesus, finna break the pencil.
All right, that's a good consistency. Now you have to whip it with your hands.
But Gina, look. Oh my God.
Just hold the camera. I know how to do this. Here. Now hold the camera.
Please don't mess it up. This
I'm
is my
not
first
going
time.
to.
That actually.
I promise
Oh my God,
you.
that's awesome. Please, Jada, don't mess it up.
I'm not. I know how
If you
to.
do.
All right, guys. I'm gonna whip with my hands because I am the slime expert here. So you're gonna want to make sure you have some stuff on your hands like that.
Jada,
I almost mixed yours and mine together.
here, I'll hold the bowl.
You have to take it out of the bowl. You know what I'm doing. Start just whipping it with your hands.
It's gonna be sticky.
It's not going to be sticky. I know how to do this. I went through it with my slime, and my slime was good.
Yeah, yours turned out perfect.
It turned out great. So now that it's not dripping anymore, you can just take it out of the bowl plate and start whipping it and whipping it. See, look.
It's okay, Jada. Your slime.
Ooh, you added a lot of shaving cream, but look, it's perfect. Yours is going to be awesome.
Really?
So much more than me.
Jada, it's getting all over you.
Okay.
Jada. See, do it over the bowl. I'll get this tiny bit out. Jada, it's on me. Oh my God.
Mine has orange and gray in it because I made orange with
It's
gray.
red, Ava. I know I'm working my hands off on this.
Fine, I'll do it.
It hurts so bad. No, I'm okay. I just like the feeling of it. It hurts so much.
I better clean this up.
I only use half the bottle, not even half. I only use
This is awesome slime. This is my sister's slime.
That made it like work. I have to like keep it right here because it's like it's hurting me now. Like it's like hurting me.
This is awesome slime, guys.
I have to work on hers more than mine because mine's little amount and hers like the big.
Here's my slime, guys. Finally done with it. It is kind of stickly. Stickly.
Stickly? What the heck is stickly? Oh.
Mine's like
Okay,
yellow.
so it's kind
Mine is chocolate.
of sticky right now.
Oh my god, look what
Look
I
at
did.
my
Mine is
baby
chocolate.
sister's is awesome.
It's not slime. It's chocolate.
My baby sister's is
Plain.
awesome.
If you give us a,
This is mine. This is my.
if you give us 500
That's
comments, we'll put stuff in them.
Okay,
Yeah, we will, because I like
Take it up,
stuff.
please.
Oh God, Zoe, I know how to do it.
Sorry, there's so much commotion. It's just a lot going on.
There's a lot going on in the world. Guys,
You
don't let
did
it
not
touch.
just do that. So here's my slime, guys. It turned out pretty awesome. It's like, okay, can you hold the bowl for me?
No, I cannot.
I think you should add just a little bit.
I know that's what I did. Look at mine, guys. I just added shaving cream to mine, and it's gonna get
So what you need, guys, don't forget what you need is shaving cream,
any type of glue
saline solution,
and any
and-
type of glue.
we got school glue, Imagine, and it turned out perfect. If you want to add color to yours, like she did, she's still kind of mixing it, and or either like she did,
Stop.
she's a little bit. But mine is the biggest of both of theirs.
Yeah.
They have like a tiny bit, and I have like a lot.
Yeah,
So,
it's like
hope-
a masterpiece, Zoe.
So hope you guys like this video. Don't forget to give this a thumbs up. It's sticking to me, I know. Okay. Don't forget to give this a thumbs up. And oh my gosh, hold on. We're thinking about putting stuff in it, but we don't know.
Chocolate.
It's kind of sticky, but
This is proof that mine doesn't stick.
Oh, mine doesn't stick to the chocolate.
mine sort of sticks, guys. Stop.
Not really. This one's sticking off.
Only if you do it fast, it doesn't. But when you do it slow, it's
Like this.
Oh
Bye, guys. I hope that you like.
It doesn't stick to anything.
Bye, guys. I hope that you like our video. And don't forget to give this a thumbs up. If we can get up to at least 200 likes, then we will make some more slime videos. Now at least we have